Okay, unit professionals, wanted to show you once you're inside of Road Trip Nations, if they go in what we offer and click on videos and stories, it gives you the selection. So you've got the acting and theater, art, business. The members choose which one of these interests them the most. So if you click on art, then their second choice of interest, art and design. And then what lights you up at the core. So what they feel strongly about. Helping people, problem solving, teaching and mentoring. Let's go with teaching and mentoring. And based on those selections, it brings up videos with people who are in those types of fields. And as you can see, this one's 53 seconds or so, 55, and some of them are longer. So they could watch videos on stuff that actually interests them for a while. Ooh, look at there. Chart the course with Boys and Girls Club. Got to look at that in a minute. Alrighty, just wanted to let you know.